Ladies and gentlemen, who wants to be carrying one of these big, heavy machines up and down the stairs? The average machine weighs between 10 to 15 kilograms. That is very, very heavy. Now this here is the Merlin 2-in-1 Mini Vacuum. It's under 2 kilograms in weight with over 1,000 watts of power. Now to show you how powerful this is, short head carpet goes right the way down to the very base, cleaning. Not with this. This works by sheer power alone. Picking up absolutely everything as it does. This will go right the way down to the very depth of the carpet, picking up all that clogging, dirt, grass and grime. It picks it up every single time. The average vacuum is between 400, 500 or 600 watts. All they do is skip over the surface. This cleans to the very base. Show them off. There's a £10 bundle. Are we happy? Not just one. Now that there is power, pure power. More detail, and of course that it gets right into those corners, picking up absolutely everything, running up and down the stairs. If you've got a car, back seat, all of those jobs done.